We had a session with yesterday with Shashikala Charles. It was about phrasal verbs and the some of the learnings for the look up and look down. Look up was in to look up for some ideal or parents or some teacher, or look down was taken as a negative sense phrase. Then Mumbai, it is raining cats and dogs. Then clean up, drive, to clean up, functional four verbs: look down, drive into, bank, financial loans. Wherever there is a some ghapla baji, something wrong has been done to clean up the mess created by some irresponsible actions, irresponsible people. That was in that sense. Clean up the mess, clean the mess up. And call off was another term for weddings or some programs. The wedding has been called off. Many wedding seasons, many weddings planned in the corona seasons were called off because of lockdown and restrictions. We call off the wedding. Turn down is used for refuse to. Turn down is basically if a request is not entertained or request is turned down, or you apply for a leave and the leave application is turned down because of exigencies of work or some reason given, and your request is not accepted and it is turned down. Turn up, the turn up is the another reverse of it, used for turn on or turn up. You have not turned up, meeting is there and the no one has turned up on time. And turn on is used for switch on or switch off. These are the terms related to turn down and turn off. Then there is a weed out. Weed out is removal or remove people or screen people. If you are looking for certain good people, and a lot of groups have applied for it, the large number of people have applied, so you have to weed out the applicants who are not suitable for that. So this is weed out. Inefficient workers will be weeded out, or weed out the corrupt politicians. This is a little bit a negative or risky sentence. Then weed out the word flowers, the grass growing around the unwanted growth of plants near the flowers or fruits and vegetables in the garden are to be weeded out. Then the dress up is for occasion, some party wear or some function, you have to dress up. And then dress down, to end up. To end up is to end up doing some work. This was one of the things. Dress up is balance. Dress up. Dressing up. Cooking up. Data is cooked up in the some report, balance sheet or something. Then to get away is escaping the punishment or escape the someone has come, so I'll have to stop. Then see through and go over were some other terms used. I'll have to stop here at this point. I'll try to use these phrases in my day-to-day conversions and come out with some improved version of English. This is G.S. Anand. I am a mechanical engineer turned digital recruiterpreneur, signing off for now. Thank you and bye.